In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill a text box with colour here in Canva. Now, to do this, we want to use a square shape. Now we can come up to Elements, come to Shapes just here, and then we can use one of these squares. Now, as you can see straight away, we have the ability to add text inside this square. So we can turn this into a text box. So let's just make this a little bit longer by clicking on the sides. Now there is also a keyboard shortcut, and if you click on R on your keyboard, it will then pull up one of these squares. So if I click on R, we have it just like that. But then let me just go ahead and put your text just here, just like that. To change the color of this is very simple. We can come up to the color icon, then we can choose any color from the default colors, gradient colors as well, just like this. Or if we click onto the little plus icon, then come back onto solid color, we can put any hex code color just here. Now let's go ahead and do this red, because we can also come to the stroke style and add a border as well. We can change the border outline by clicking on one of these styles, and we can also change the border color by clicking on this stroke color and then choosing the color that we want. Then with the text, we can change the font how we usually can, and we can also make this bigger, just like that. Then we can bold, and we can play around with the shape of this box as well by bringing in the sides, dragging and making bigger to get it however you want. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to fill a text box with colour here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.